Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix AOC monitor speakers not working properly. So the first things first, what we'll need to do is go to your Windows sounds and make sure to go to the sounds like this. And as you can see, you will get your sounds, and if you go to the playback and scroll down, you'll find the AOC monitor. So for me it is 24G1WG4. And then what you'll need to do is right click it and go to the properties. Then what we'll need to do is go to advanced, make sure this is on the 16-bit 48,000 Hertz. Then just click apply, and right here for the levels, if you go to the levels, make sure it is at 100% and just apply it. And when you click on the sound, make sure to choose your AOC monitor. And now if you don't hear any sound still, what you can do is basically go to your menu. So this is the menu button, click on that one, and these are the arrows, as you can see, so use those. And basically go and find OSD setup, then click on the menu button again. And as you can see with the arrows, go to the volume and make sure it is at 100%, because sometimes it will be on 0. So click on the menu button with arrows, make 100, then menu button to confirm it, and then exit. After that, what you need to do is basically use your arrows, and if you don't hear a sound, there's third solution that you can reset your monitor. So basically go and reset your monitor with the menu button and arrow button, and that should fix your no speakers problem. So if that video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.